Okay, so let's discuss the methods where we are changing the text to vectors. Okay, so first two we already discussed, the one hotcode encoding. Okay, the second is Pago words. Okay, so now we will discuss about the TF-IDF. Okay, so okay, so let's start with the TF. So TF is my term frequency. Okay, so what is term frequency is TF is what? If TF measure the frequency of a term in a document, each word in a document. Okay, if I write the formula for this, TF, okay, so this is for term T and D for document. Okay, so how we write number of times term T means the word, each word appears in document D. Document D, and in denominator we write total number of terms in document D. Okay. For example, let me take a simple example. In document, like for example in D, I have 100 words. Okay. If like in this 100 words, one word is apple. And this apple word is come 5 times. Okay. If I find the TF for this, so what we have is 5 by 100. So this is come somewhere 0.05. Okay, so this is a simple example. Okay, so now let's talk about what is IDF. IDF is inverse document frequency. I think I like mentioned wrongly in the introduction video. So from for D stands for document. Okay. So okay. So IDF. So what is IDF is IDF measure the importance term. What is importance of a term across the multiple document? And how it will find? IDF again is talking about T, and this is my document. Okay, so what is the formula for this? Now I have is log, okay, the total number of documents in corpus D. Okay, number of documents we are calculated here upon the number of documents containing term T. Okay, before we are talking about words, now we are talking about the document. Okay, for example, I have total 100 documents in the corpus. Okay, in corpus, I have 1000 documents. Okay, so in this 1000 documents, again, I'm taking the apple. Okay, apple appears 100 times. Okay, 100 times. So what is IDF is now is log this 500. We know log 10 is my 2. Okay, so this is my what? TF and IDF. Now let's come to the TF-IDF. TF-IDF is what? Term frequency, inverse document frequency. So TF-IDF combines this both TF-IDF to give the evaluation about the importance of a term in the specific document relative to the importance across the all document. Okay, so what is the formula for this? TF TD multiply IDF TD. Okay, so we know in previous example, I have got TF is 0.05 and IDF is 2. Okay, so now my TF-IDF is, we will multiply this and this comes is 0.1. Okay, so how this TI-FDF help us? Helps. How? So it identifies the words that are important in a particular document. It identify words that are important in a particular document. Okay, but here there is some disadvantages also, but not too common across all the documents. This is useful in tasks like text classification, information retrieval, and document similarity analysis. Okay, so this is all about the TF-IDF.